Next May can be a real turning point for Wales. In a year's time, you have a choice. 4 more years of Labour government protecting Labour's interests, or you can have a government relentless in pursuing what's right for Wales, a government led by Plaid Cymru. After 26 years of Labour First Ministers, we've had record NHS waiting lists. Wales has the lowest employment rate of any UK nation. Child poverty is heading towards its worst levels in 30 years, and our children's school results have fallen to their lowest since records began. Labour have abandoned the communities that put them in power. They won't stand up to Westminster or to Keir Starmer, but you can choose something different, and Plaid Cymru offers the fresh start that Wales really needs. We'll sort out the NHS so you aren't waiting months for treatment. We'll build a fairer economy, keeping jobs and profits in Wales and making sure people have the right skills and good wages. We'll invest in our schools and give every child the start they deserve. And we will stand up to Westminster when Wales is shortchanged and never stop fighting for fairness and respect for our communities. So if, like me, you believe this really isn't as good as it gets for Wales, and if you're ready for the only real alternative, then vote for Plaid Cymru next May, and consider helping along the way too, with the only credible pro-Wales government in 2026. So let's make it happen.